Hi, my name is Mariusz, and today I would like to show you some changes that I made in the GUI. I work only on the left part of the GUI, so changes were made only for this fields, and I at this moment I can just shop from the list and account from the list, but those values are provided by controllers. And also I am able to disable these fields when everything is okay, and cancel button just clear all the fields so I can start it all over again. And also I have some validation added to the fields so they can't be empty, and if any of those fields are empty, the validation pop-up just show up, and I'm unable to confirm this part. And when everything is okay, this part is disabled, and we have here some information about the values that were chosen in the GUI. If we will look at the code, I made two controllers that provide me some data, simple property that will hold information about need of disabling part of the GUI, some simple model that just hold the data, that will hold the data from this GUI, and field set have now a disable property bound to this disable basic. So and whenever this is set to true, the whole field set will be disabled. And I made a bound to all fields. I bound them to my model. So shop, account, date, and invoice number are bound to the model. And for combo boxes, the values are provided by controllers. For shop controller and account controller, we can fetch a list from there. And I'm formatting the cell in so that the text display on the combo box list is only a name of shop and name of account, and both of them are marked required, so this field have to be filled before a model will be committed, or before data will be pushed to the database or to any data structure. And for date, I have a default value, so whenever the application is started, the default value is set to local date now. But here I'm changing the format of the date, so it's displayed as a year, month, and day. And field is also required as is marked as required, and invoice number is just for now bound to this model. And what we have here, I have to move a horizontal box, H box, out of the field set, because I would like to disable a field set based on the click on this button, and I don't want the button to be disabled also. So I move those two buttons out of the field set. And here the OK button just run the action model commit. So at this moment, model is validated after commit, and I can use here out of the box property is valid. So I can check here if model is valid, so all fields that were marked as required are filled. And if yes, then I can just disable the part of the GUI. And as simulation to write to the base, I just run simple print into the console. And for the second button, cancel, the action is quite simple. It's just set disable basic property to false, so GUI is unlocked, and print some message, and also roll back the model. So whole model will be cleared after the button will be pressed. So I can start filling it again from the beginning. And let's look at the controllers. The controllers are really simple. They just provide account list. It will be a list of accounts. At this moment, it's just default list of 2 accounts. Data class account is also really simple. It's just ID and then the name. The shop is the same. It provides just simple default list with 2 values, and data class is also simple, just ID and then the name. So that's for now it's enough. And yeah, I would like to just talk about this update. In the next video, I will try to talk about the right part of the GUI and try to put some logic there. Thank you.